Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAP Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the SAP Cloud login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the SAP Cloud login screen. Here, you will see fields for entering your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option if available. Before proceeding, make sure to review any additional login options, such as single sign-on or two-factor authentication, if applicable. Once all information is entered, locate the Log On button. Click on the Log On button to submit your credentials. Wait while the system authenticates your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the SAP Cloud dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Congratulations, you are now logged into SAP Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.